Tired of those annoying Venmo limits? Frustrated you can't send or receive larger amounts? You're not alone. Venmo verification can be a real game changer. But how do you actually get it? Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down the process step by step and answering all your burning questions about Venmo verification. Venmo, the popular peer-to-peer payment app, is great for splitting bills with friends, sending quick tips, and even making small purchases. But there's a catch: limits. Until you verify your account, you're stuck with those frustrating restrictions. Now, you might be wondering, why even bother with verification? Well, the benefits are huge. Higher limits: send and receive significantly larger amounts of money. Faster transactions: enjoy quicker processing times for your payments. Increased security: enhance the overall security of your Venmo account. Unlock more features: gain access to additional features that might be unavailable to unverified users. So, let's dive in and discover the path to a fully verified Venmo account. Step-by-step verification guide. 1. Open the Venmo app. Start by opening the Venmo app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. 2. Access the settings menu. Tap on the three lines or the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the app. This will usually take you to your profile page. Look for the settings option and tap on it. 3. Find the verification section. Within the settings menu, you should see a section related to verification, account, or something similar. Tap on it to begin the verification process. 4. Choose your verification method. Venmo typically offers a few different verification methods. Common options include Social Security Number, SSN. This is usually the most common and fastest method. Bank account link. Linking your bank account can also verify your identity. Government-issued ID. You may be able to verify using your driver's license or passport. Select the method that's most convenient for you. 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Venmo app. If you're using your SSN, you'll typically be asked to enter it and potentially answer some security questions. If you're linking your bank account, you'll need to enter your bank account information. If you're using a government-issued ID, you might need to upload a photo of it. Double-check all the information you enter for accuracy. 6. Wait for verification. Once you've submitted your information, Venmo will typically process your verification request within a few minutes to a few business days. You'll receive a notification within the app once your account is verified. Tips and troubleshooting. Tips for a smooth verification. Ensure you have a stable internet connection throughout the process. Double-check all the information you enter for accuracy. Incorrect information can delay the verification process. If you're using your SSN, make sure you have it readily available. If you're linking your bank account, have your bank account information handy: account number, routing number. Troubleshooting common issues. Verification failed. Double-check all the information you entered for any errors. Try verifying using a different method if possible. Contact Venmo customer support for assistance. Verification pending. Be patient. Verification can sometimes take a few business days. Check the Venmo app for any updates or messages regarding your verification status. Important notes. Venmo's verification process and requirements may change over time. Always refer to the official Venmo app and website for the most up-to-date information. Protecting your personal information is crucial. Only share your information with legitimate sources like the official Venmo app. Beyond verification. Once your Venmo account is verified, you can enjoy the benefits of higher limits, faster transactions, and enhanced security. Explore the various features offered by Venmo, such as sending and receiving money, making purchases, and using Venmo credit. Have you successfully verified your Venmo account? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.